Dumpster rental service in Citrus Springs, Florida. Are you planning a home renovation, construction project, or major cleanup in Citrus Springs, Florida? All Things Dumpster Rental is your go-to solution for efficient and hassle-free waste management. Our reliable dumpster rental service ensures that your debris and waste are removed quickly and responsibly, keeping your property clean and organized. We offer a variety of dumpster sizes to suit any project, from small residential cleanups to large-scale construction jobs. Our 11-yard dumpster is ideal for minor home cleanouts, while the 15-yard dumpster is perfect for medium-sized projects like garage cleanouts and remodeling jobs. For bigger construction or renovation projects, our spacious 22-yard dumpster provides ample room for debris disposal. At All Things Dumpster Rental, we take pride in our prompt delivery, flexible rental terms, and transparent pricing. There are no hidden fees, just straightforward service you can rely on. Our environmentally responsible disposal methods ensure that waste is handled properly, reducing the impact on landfills and promoting sustainability. If you need a dependable dumpster rental service in Citrus Springs, call All Things Dumpster Rental at 352-804-8783 today. Let us help you keep your project running smoothly with professional and affordable waste management solutions.